everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, today's video about new makeup released by Sephora Gucci Gloss Lévres Hydrating Plumping Lip Gloss. This price is $42. Color Bertha Pink. A visibly plumping lip gloss that delivers subtle color with glass-like shine and up to 24 hours of comforting hydration. Hydrating, long-wearing, plumping. Color Jocelyn Claire. Botanical plumping agent visibly increases lip volume by 22%. Hyaluronic acid and black rose oil improve lip hydration by 43%. Color Suzanne Brown. Reflective polymers, smooth lips, and add intense shine. This tinted lip gloss imparts a delicate wash of color and comes in an array of captivating shades suitable for every skin tone. Formulated with lip-loving ingredients and visibly plumping. Color 414 Virginia Fuchsia. Plumping actives. The weightless formula gives lips an instantly fuller and smoother look without drying them out. Color Sadie Coral. The elegant case is adorned with gold stars and Gucci lettering, capturing the magic of starlight. Swipe onto lips starting from the center and moving outwards. Build up layers of color as desired. Smooth onto bare lips for softly tinted shine. Smooth onto lined lips for a fuller look. With subtle color, apply on top of lipstick to add instant shine to your shade. If you like today's video, subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon. Also, thank you for watching. Bye.